So the first thing I do is get them out of the package. These nails are pre-glued and are from Forever 21. That's where I've been buying them ever since I found out they sell nails. So then what I do is set them on apart. The glue that I will be using is by Kiss. Now I will be measuring the acrylic to my actual nails, and once I got my nails on one hand all matched up, I'll just look at the number the plastic contains to match the other side for it to be easier and less time consuming. Now I set the rest aside, and finally on to the next step. Since I did mention they're pre-glued, we'll now have to take that stickiness off. Yes, this step will take quite some time, like about 10 minutes to be exact, to take that stickiness off. So this is how it looks like for just one nail. Yes, I'm finally done with all the nails, and now this is how it looks like. For the last step, it's time to apply the glue. Yes! So the glue will be applied onto both the real nail and acrylic. Applying glue to both will ensure a bit more of a stronger hold. Be sure to apply on the edges of the nail. So now you want to press down the acrylic to your real nail for about 20 seconds to hold good. So this is how it looks like. Now just do the same for all of them. And bam, now you got some fly ass nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like I always motherfucking say, remember to do something different, try something new, and get the fuck out your comfort zone. Okay, bye guys. See you guys on the next video.